Why is strict equality? Is equal to crucial for JavaScript type checking. Imagine trying to compare two things and getting a surprise result that confuses you. That's what can happen in JavaScript if you're not careful with how you compare values. When you compare values in JavaScript, you have two options: loose equality and strict equality. Loose equality uses the double equals sign. Strict equality uses three equals signs. The key difference is how they treat types. Loose equality can convert types behind the scenes, which can lead to unexpected results. Strict equality, on the other hand, compares both the value and the type directly, without any conversion. This makes it more predictable. For example, if you compare the number 5 with the string 5 using loose equality, JavaScript will convert the string to a number and say they are equal. But with strict equality, it sees the number 5 and the string 5 as different because their types don't match. This is important because it helps prevent bugs that are caused by implicit type conversions. When you use strict equality, you know exactly what you are comparing. It's like checking if two objects are exactly the same in both shape and size, not just similar. Using strict equality can also make your code run faster. Since JavaScript doesn't have to do extra work converting types, comparisons happen more quickly. It also helps you avoid common pitfalls. For example, comparing an empty string to 0 with loose equality returns true, which can be confusing. But with strict equality, an empty string is not equal to 0 because their types are different. In JavaScript, variables can hold different data types like numbers, strings, or objects. When you check if a variable has a certain value, you want to be sure you're comparing the right types. Using strict equality makes your comparisons clear and reliable. It's especially useful when working with functions that expect specific types of inputs. If you compare objects or arrays, strict equality checks if they are the same object in memory, not just similar in content. In short, strict equality is a best practice because it makes your comparisons precise. It helps you avoid surprises and bugs caused by JavaScript's flexible type system. When you want to be sure that both the type and value match exactly, always choose the three equals signs. It's a simple habit that leads to clearer, safer, and more predictable code.